Zendrop versus CJ Dropshipping. Which is the better dropshipping application? Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will be taking a quick look at Zendrop and CJ Dropshipping. Both are super popular dropshipping tools that can be integrated with Shopify. However, which one is better and which one should you be using to meet your dropshipping needs? Let's jump right in. Now, these are both tools that are ideal for people who want to increase their workable margins and make their online shop as simple as possible. And for people that are looking to scale their businesses, dropshipping can serve as a great way to do so. Firstly, we need to understand what these platforms are individually and how they differ. Zendrop is an online platform that engages with credible suppliers and online vendors and dropshipping shops. It specializes specifically in finding suppliers in the United States. With Zendrop, you have no worries about communication issues, language difficulties, sluggish shipping periods, or falsely branded packaging. Zendrop has a few key features over the years that I have noted. First off, they have rapid shipping. They have really quick shipping that is going to help you in managing customer satisfaction. Usually, Zendrop has about 3 shipping selections for most of their products. Firstly, you have economy, which is the most affordable shipping selection. The second is standard shipping, while the third is express shipping. Express shipping is usually available only for pro users on Zendrop. However, express shipping has a lot of advantages, but it's very expensive. So unless you are in the US, you don't want to go for express shipping because it can become really costly as well. The second most popular feature about Zendrop is that if I, get an order over here, so on the left I have these orders, and once I receive orders, I can directly just click on fulfill order and get the order to be fulfilled. Or if these are going to be paid orders, then you can set up automated fulfillment. Automated fulfillment is something that is a genuine single-click automation fulfillment procedure. That means that the moment you configure the setting to be turned on, you are going to directly be sending out parcels to the customers, the packages to the customers that order items. You won't have to manually click on fulfill order every time someone actually proceeds with placing an order on your Shopify store or on any of the types of store that you might be creating. Then another really amazing feature that you're going to see with Zendrop is private labeling. That means that you are able to brand any item. Usually with suppliers, with dropshipping, you have standard items and they send them out exactly as they are shown. However, with Zendrop, you do have the option to customize as well as build print-on-demand products. Then you also have things like bundles and subscription boxes that you can add to your store with Zendrop, as well as real-time analytics, Zendrop financing, affiliate marketing programs, and supplier applications. Now, what about CJ Dropshipping? What are its primary features? Well, CJ Dropshipping is a service that allows businesses to sell products without having to store inventory. It works by connecting you directly to the supplier. That supplier is going to handle storage, creation, and then shipping of your products. However, with the low prices on CJ Dropshipping, the con is your supplier could be located anywhere. And because you are contacting the supplier directly, your supplier might have language barriers. There are some language barriers often that happen with CJ Dropshipping. And another really important thing to note is that dropshipping is going to take time. CJ Dropshipping is going to connect you to a supplier, let's say in rural China. Them shipping a parcel out to the United States is going to take a lot of time. So with that, we do have to keep these things in mind when opting for CJ. Now, they have global suppliers. Not only do they have suppliers in China, they have suppliers all over the globe. Whatever type of product you're looking for, if you can't find it in one place, you can usually find it in another. So that is one advantage that you do have with CJ Dropshipping. You also have white label branding, which is a really popular strategy. And you use a white label, which means that you're assuming the product packaging as it is from your manufacturer, and then you're going to remarket it. And then you're able to just white label products and easily sell them on your own store. You also have a Ali Scraper Chrome extension that can be used additionally with CJ Dropshipping. This extension can introduce you to multiple Ali Express dropshipping goods to your e-commerce shop and for you to automate your business. So any product that you see on AliExpress can be added to your store. You also have one-click imports, and this is a feature that was spontaneous, that helps you in adding products quickly and effectively. You can get hard to source products very easily, and new products are always available on CJ. Now, which one is better? Firstly, if I talk about integrations, they all have BigCommerce, Flex, Wix, Shopify, WooCommerce integrations available. But CJ Dropshipping definitely wins when it comes to the number of integrations. You can add your CJ store depending on wherever you are. You have Shopify API, WooCommerce, Shopee, Etsy, AllValue, AliExpress, Shopplaza, Lazada, eBay, and many other options. Zendrop is very limited because its primary integration, so the primary stores that you can connect, are only Shopify, WooCommerce, and Commerce HQ, which is pretty limiting if you're using any other tool. Now, in terms of ratings on Trustpilot, both of them have a Trustpilot rating of 4.7. So they're really pretty much equally rated. However, one thing to note is that in terms of pricing, CJ Dropshipping is really cheap. They have really affordable pricing. Now, they don't have any monthly or yearly free. It's free to set up, but when you are, upgrading on CJ Dropshipping, you have no yearly cost. You can build custom branding and much more. Whereas Zendrop is a costly tool. It's definitely something that's going to cost you a lot of money in the long run. They have 3 basic plans. You start with a 7-day free trial, and their plan goes for $49 per month. Now, what about their customer support? CJ Dropshipping appoints agents to their customers, and they have 24/7 customer support assistance. Whereas Zendrop has customer support that is helpful, but it is not 24/7. Which would be the better tool? Well, I think that if you're trying to ship globally and you're trying to scale your dropshipping business globally, then CJ Dropshipping is a great option. They have so many different products, new products are added all the time, and you're able to find accurate and representative products for your niche. Whatever niche you're targeting, you're going to find something for it. Whereas Zendrop is super specialized. Zendrop can be great for people that are looking to start their dropshipping business specifically within the US. Simply because of the type of products that are available on Zendrop, you're going to see better results if you are doing dropshipping in the United States. So I definitely do think that for most beginners, there is no better start than CJ Dropshipping. There are no hidden fees, no charges. It's free to start and anyone can do it. But if you are just looking to only dropship in the United States, Zendrop might be a good option. But even then, if you are able to invest some time in finding good suppliers on CJ Dropshipping is going to be the better option for you as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if there are any questions or queries about dropshipping or any dropshipping tools or Shopify, make sure to leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.